And I did mention the lamp is touch censored, so you see I got a little trick going to turn the light on. Hey NailTubers! I was contacted and asked if I'd be interested in trying products by Una Gella, and this is their nail tips and glue gel kit. Now this kit is available on Amazon, so I'll have a link available in my description. So let's open this and see. The instructions are always important because all kits don't contain the exact same things. Like in this case, it's the nails, and I'll show you in a moment. Oh, look at the stones. There are 240 nail tips, and you'll see them in a bit. This is the glue gel, and I do like the viscosity. It's just right and not super thick, which by the way, this is a 3-in-1. It's nail glue gel, base coat, and blooming gel. There's a portable mini lamp. And the cord is about 1 foot to 1.5 foot long. I like the gold and white aesthetic. I was excited about the nails because these are now starting to become included in nail kits like this. So 4s are a common size to show you. Look, they're XXL square. And I'm just taking these out for you to get the close. Now, they're not real, but definitely cute and colorful, right? I've chosen my sizes, and one thing though, they're a little more squared at the top for my fit, so I do have to do some gentle shaping. And these nails are soft gel. That was a pleasant surprise to find that in a kit like this. And what I like about them is the thin structure at the arc. See how it doesn't have that thick edge? And this helps it look more realistic and natural. I've used Una Gella full cover nails in a number of videos by now, so I was happy to hear from their company because it lined up with what I enjoy using. These lamps are the cutest. Oh, and the button doesn't press, which I had to find out. It's touch censored. There's 4 LEDs, and the description showed that it's fast curing, which I did find this to be true, and it offers 5,000 hours of use. My natural nails are prepped, and it always starts with a layer of base coat, which I cure for 30 seconds. As you see, I didn't etch the nail because you don't have to when they're gel, and I go right in with the Una Gella glue gel. Now, I also know that some people add primer to the nail enhancement, so you can also consider that. And I did mention the lamp is touch censored, so you see I got a little trick going to turn the light on. One of the things I found about the glue gel is that it's made of botanical extract, which offers strength and wear endurance. It's 11 toxin free and cruelty free, and this makes me feel good about enjoying their product all the more. I was able to cut away any spillage before I went into the big lamp for a full cure. I used the glue gel as a base coat for the color too. Hot pink, honey. Yes, I've been into bold and bright. It's summertime. Matte finish for the ring and middle finger. So remember the alcohol inks I made? This was one of the neons. And I know this is looking like, that's a whole lot of pink, but I'll be adding to it. I had this pattern in mind, and at first it was looking like maybe it's not going to turn out, but I feel like it came close to how I pictured it. I add gold shimmer gel liner to outline the pattern. And I don't know, lately I've been into designs without any sort of 3D embellishment. I guess it's a phase because nail art like that often gets caught in my hair. And I love how they turned out. Hot girl, hot pink summer. Thank you, Una Gella, for sending the nail tips and glue gel kit. If you like them, hit the like button for support. And if you'd like to see more product reviews and nail hauls, you'll find more by clicking this link. Remember to subscribe and click the Nailification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love.